even see the screaming woman at late hours of the night. They've started referring to her as La Llorona. South American folklore. They believe that even in death, the woman is still looking for her lost child. The fishermen in the village aren't, but the ghosts go as far as burning incense to keep the evil spirit away from their house.
Likat-kat, likat-kat at anak, no, na anak chim-chim ay nangaon.
¿Sabe lo que hacemos nosotros con se oye el ruido?
Hindi, lior kakat-kat ni Inday, eh.
Incenso.
Pagkat-kat siya di, usay, manha siya sa alababo.
The young local guide, Eder Hernandez, and his friends decide to check out the now abandoned cabins at night.
Ande na Inday di ay.
True. It
Ayaw naglabti.
well.
Ayaw lagti. Day. Bye-bye, Day.
No sé, es que quién sabe para qué sea eso y aquello, carnal. La neta está cabrón. La neta está cabrón. ¿Cuántos son de estos, carnal?
Mga anak ng chim-chim na. Wala ko pagawsa na ara diri asas Andre naras kwarto. Andre! Andre! Asa Andre?
They are about to encounter something truly terrifying.
Ay! Bata! Mimens!
Digo, Ángel. Ángel.
Kisay nga ninday? Day!
May mga halaman sa loob kasi baka may
Kinsay nga ninday? Bantayi ang kuanoy, sudli na tubig akart. Nay ay sarkat ba? Sudli tubig.
¿Cómo sientes aquí, brujo? Bastante fuerte.
Sudli tubig art. Hoy! Hello, uy. Ha? Kuha anay padayan na ba? Inday! Awas hindi, tungtong lang tungtong. Matagak na ka! Hoy, Inday, mens!
They run as the horrifying figure of a child screeches at them from the
Katawa pa. Bi, sayaw, bi.
Another scream.
Sayaw, bi. Naog na diya, bi.
The figure is gone from the second
Ay, naog ang bata, ay.
now hiding in the weeds on the ground floor. So is this the ghost of the
Panaog ang
young lady
bata,
which
ay.
we found? Is it La Llorona?
Di ka, Andre.
All just an
Ha?
elaborate hoax.
Klaro ato, din ka.
Dahil sabihin nyo, for example,
Asa?
scripted dyan, napakahirap naman.
Ging na nakalakaw, dilim laaga.
Sa baba, tapos takuban.
Before we move on to the next video, if you see any
Anak ni chim-chim. Napay anak na ko nga buryong ay na eh. Na hello.
Brothers Ryan and River Reese from the YouTube channel
Love daw mama.
Twin Paranormal
Me?
travel to the historic and
Love
allegedly
na mama,
haunted Fort
me.
Stevens, Oregon with their fellow
Kasi
explorers.
nga ni mo.
The fort is said to be
Israel.
haunted by multiple ghosts.
Israel
The
na.
spirits are said to be a father and
Mens!
son who
Kaon ka,
tragically
Mens?
lost their lives at the
Mabukpog ang kart. Mabukpog ka.
said to be a soldier named
Ay,
August
pagkanag isda
Starr,
nga na ibukog.
who was beaten to death by unknown
Kana lang kanon nga na isabaw.
in 1868. Many Fort Stevens visitors claim to have seen a strange shadow figure roaming the fort's underground tunnels. Soon after arriving at the location, the twin paranormal guys jokingly
buang
discuss
puday na eh.
splitting up to explore.
Rail.
That conversation
Liwat man
is cut short.
kapapaminchong o naong. Oy, wala man ka maliwat na ako naong. Wala man siya maliwat na ako.
I'm trying to be like super badass right now. Yeah, let's split up, guys.
Ang naliwat ran ako si Jan Ragyod. Dodong mi ba si Dodong mi?
Hello?
Tanaw mi diri kong ungay. Ghost
We're with
Hunter.
the park rangers.
Na Ghost
Fine, we're
Hunter.
just visiting. We're nice, very nice people. Please be nice to us. We'll be nice to you.
As they continue to explore the creepy fort, they begin to feel like they might not be alone. Somebody's walking above. The twin paranormal team is starting to get a bit freaked out by the
Ay, gabi.
unexplained sounds and footsteps. They search, but they can't seem to find anyone or anything to explain the strange noises. And then,
Rael.
they catch something
Rael.
very strange.
Nailo, bi. Nailo. Alot na papa, mama mi. Oy.
In a couple of seconds,
Mo ni si anak na ko kusog mamalikas.
time catching an
Kani siya
actual
kani
ghost
siya
and
kusog ni
not
mamalikas.
noticing it right in front of our faces. Could this be the 10-year-old
hello.
Shane Davis?
Hello. Hello, piste.
Doon yan.
Kusog mamalikas. Hoy, Ark! Bat.
Walang ganyan.
Oh, ang bata, Ark ka ng Andre.
No, parang uso-uso.
Andre! Para sa Sinday, bi, panaog.
Parang tingnan talaga
Naog.
yung nakakatakot eh.